In this lecture, we're going to study about the TCP IP layers, and we're going to use a comparison of how we actually send mail to show how the TCP IP protocol works. First, the TCP IP 5-layer model, as we've already studied, and over there you can see an email file that's need to be sent through Wi-Fi connected to the internet to this one over here, which is another computer that's connected to Ethernet. First, let's start at the application layer. And I want to send many books to my friend by mail. And these are the books that I want to send. You can think of the books as the application data file. Then, at the transport layer, it will divide the books into boxes and number the boxes for mailing. Now, the boxes are the TCP payload segments. And also, the box numbering represents the TCP sequence numbers. For example, the first box out of the 3, the second box out of the 3, and this is the last box out of the 3. When received at the destination, the box numbers will be used to find any missing boxes and also reorder the books into the proper sequence. And that's what the TCP does. Then, the IP layer will add sender and receiver addresses on each box, like you see down here. The sender address is like the source IP address, and the receiver address is like the destination IP address. IP addresses are used to deliver the packet to the receiver, where the delivering process is the routing, and the receiver is indicated in the receiver, the destination address. IPv4 addresses are 32-bit long, and IPv6 addresses are 128 bits long. Then comes what we need to select, the mail type, which is like airmail, surface mail, priority mail, and other things. And that's like selecting the network access layer. For example, these are the types. That would mean that in the actual networking, we would be selecting between satellite communication, mobile communication, optical fiber communication, Ethernet, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and other type of communication protocols. Then, at the physical layer, the physical layer is like selecting the airplane, the ship, based upon airmail and seamail and other options that we selected at layer 2. So therefore, we have wired, wireless, and optical components. And this here is the way that we move files from XX to YY to different locations through TCP/IP protocol. Further details will follow in the next lecture. Thank you.